So this is part 2, like snow video. So there was a snowstorm, and look at how big the snowstorm, the snow blizzard has formed a mountain. Like what? It's so big. Look at how deep it is. So it's deep. It's deep like this. And there, it's more deeper. As you thought. It's deep as you thought. It's deep as you thought. Do you think so we can shade the snow into like a dinosaur? Like a dinosaur sculpture? That's a good idea. If I was standing there, it would fill me up. I'll be stuck in the snow. That's why in snow blizzard you are not allowed to go outside. Bye. Wait. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Bye. And comment the video. Bye.